there's several facets to it, but primarily they identified that pharmaceutical companies need to have a financial incentive to explore these small populations. First, they had to define the population, and they defined it as 200,000 people. This, I believe at the time, the population was around 200 million in the United States, so it was 1% of the population, something very small. And then they gave them, there's several incentives they give them, like they get relief from the fees for conducting clinical trials. The clinical trials can be shorter. They can have a smaller patient population, which makes sense because you're dealing with a smaller patient population. And the biggest one they get is they get market exclusivity for at least 7 years. So no competitor can be introduced into the market for 7 years. On top of that, there's other benefits and issues they get from it, but that made that piqued the pharmaceutical company's interest, and the initial